I'm Ben Knoll, and I'm from Minneapolis. And first, I just wanted to thank you for providing your past annual letters to the shareholders, and Mr. Munger for providing your speech to the graduate students at the USC a couple years ago. Drawn a lot of insights from that, not only in investing, but also in my day job as a business manager. And I'm wondering if you could help me with my summer reading list and provide some additional suggestions for reading in the fields of investing and management, other than the standards of Graham and Fisher and so forth.
Charlie?
Yeah. I have recently read a new book twice, which I very seldom do. And that book is Guns, Germs, and Steel by Jared Diamond. And it's a marvelous book. And the way the guy's mind works would be useful in business. He's got a mind that is always asking why. And he's very good at coming up with answers. I would say it's the best work of its kind I have ever read.
I read a little easier book recently. I'm not even sure of the title. I don't pay much attention to titles when I get into the books, but it's something to the effect of the quotable Einstein. I mean, it's a lot of his commentary over the years, and it's great reading. The Fermat Theorem was the book, but that isn't the exact title either. But it's the story of the discovery of the answer on that. That's a very interesting book. One of our shareholders from Sweden gave me a copy of that when I was in New York, and I've enjoyed it. Zone 2.